Quick tutorial for a Microshift 3-speed mountain bike. I think it's 3x7 shifting on giant ATX. Typical SRAM style mechanism on the inside. You can see the cable attaches, comes out of the barrel adjuster area. Remove the shift lever, the big one, with a T15 Torx head to medium Phillips head on this primary cover that goes here. Take off the lever, take off the cover, take off the barrel adjuster out of the end, and you'll be able to see clearly the routing. It's almost impossible to feed it in or out without taking off the lever, the cover, the barrel adjuster.